Preparing for the future of healthcare, raising our educational standards, and some good news out of Washington. This week on the Senate Report. Capitol Square was one of the healthiest places to be this week as hundreds of nurses from around the state gathered at the State House for their annual Nurses Day. Nurses took the day to tour the State House, visit with legislators, and attend seminars on public policy to learn how to advocate for their profession.
Just like most Ohioans, they want an opportunity to sit down with legislators, to have a direct dialogue on important issues, and they want to be able to provide as much health care as possible, working in conjunction with other healthcare professionals.
Beyond the State House, State Senator Shannon met with nursing students at the University of Cincinnati this week.
You know, covering more people is a really great idea, but you have to have healthcare providers to be able to provide the services.
Senator Jones is leading the effort in our state to reduce infant mortality. She talked with students about preventing infant death and the many other healthcare issues that they will face in their careers. Education plays a major role in our effort to bring jobs and economic prosperity to our state. Having a well-trained workforce is important to our future.
We're in a crisis. This isn't a situation anymore where we can say reading is an optional thing.
Senators Peggy Lehner and Bill Beagle met with members of the Delta Kappa Gamma Society this week to talk education policy in Ohio. Delta Kappa Gamma is an honorary society for women educators that promotes professional development and growth. The members discussed improving educational standards and the way technology is changing the classroom.
When you're out in the field talking to folks, you really get a different perspective. And to talk to people who are in the classroom and have real world experiences and real world concerns, and these are people who are your neighbors and they teach your children and so on, it really brings home some of the challenges of the policies that we're facing.
We'll have a more in-depth discussion on education policy in our state with Senator Lehner on next week's caucus conversation. Here's a preview.
We have to prepare our students for the high-tech jobs of today and tomorrow, but we still have to prepare them for those things that have been around for a long time, our service-oriented jobs. There are skills that students are only going to learn in school that they're going to need to be successful in the workplace.
You can see that full interview beginning Wednesday, March 12th on our YouTube channel. Well, finally, speaking of jobs, the new employment numbers are out and it's all good news for Ohio. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics out of Washington, in Ohio there were more than 14,000 jobs created in January, and Ohio's unemployment rate is down to 6.9%. Since 2011, Ohio has created more than 238,000 private sector jobs, and more Ohioans are looking for work, which reflects confidence in our economy. Ohio is doing better, but job growth and economic development will continue to be our top priorities at the Ohio Senate. Well, that's all for this week. As always, you can keep up to date with us every day on our social media pages: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. The address is @OhioSenateGOP, or visit our website, ohiosenate.gov/Republicans. Thanks for watching.